Almost everyone has worked on a document in which you find yourself replacing the same term or mark of punctuation over and over again. So today I'd like to show you how to use the autocorrect feature to do that automatically. Now, the autocorrect feature is the auto format as you type feature, and that can get kind of annoying when it corrects things that you don't want it to. So the key is to get it to work for you. So I have here a script, and in this script I would like to replace the term dir for director. In Roman, I'd like to replace that with dir in bold. And it's especially important when you have a series of documents, as I do in this case. If I used a global search and replace, that would work very well for one document, but I have 130 scripts, so I would rather just do this once, and the autocorrect allows you to do that. So what I'm going to do first is highlight my term as I would like it to appear. So I have the dir followed by the space. The space is important because if I don't put the space in, it will also find terms like dirty and direction, things like that. So I only want it to find the dir. So I've highlighted that, and so now I'm going to go over here to my autocorrect. Now if you're using Word 2007, you do it the same way in that version. So click on File, click on Options, then click Proofing, Autocorrect, and I'm already open to the autocorrect tab. If it opens to a different tab, just click on over to autocorrect. So you can see here that my term dir is already highlighted. Now if I had not it already appears in the window. If I had not highlighted it in my text, it wouldn't appear in this window, and these two options here, or this option to choose either plain text or formatted text, that would be grayed out and not available to me. So that's why it's important to highlight your term first before you go into the autocorrect. So now I'm going to type it the way I'd like it to appear, which is going to be dir space and formatted. Let me just make sure I have dir, okay, there we go. All right, and so now I'm going to just click, and you can see here I've already got the end dash programmed in, so every time someone types a hyphen instead of an end dash, it's just going to switch it on over to that end dash. So now I'm going to click OK. I'm going to click Add first, then I'm going to click OK, and then down here at the bottom click OK again. And so now let's scroll down here, and let's say I want to type director down here in my instructions. So I type dir and a space, and you see how it just popped into bold for me. I didn't do that, it just did it on its own. And now if I type a hyphen, I actually typed a hyphen instead of an end dash, but it popped into an end dash, as you can see here. So let me just demonstrate one more time. dir space hyphen, whoops, I just want one space there, hyphen, and you can almost see how it started out as a hyphen and then kind of lengthened itself. So there you go. That's all there is to it, and you can do that with any term that you need to replace multiple times.